Welcome to Illuminous. We'll show you in this video how to wire a brass landscape fixture. Remove the lens by twist anticlockwise. Now insert your LED lamp. Connect the wire fork spade connectors onto the lamp screw lugs. Now attach the lens cover, align keyhole, and twist clockwise. Now wire your fixture to your landscape transformer or driver. The voltage is usually 12 volts, depending on the lamp chosen. Thank you for watching.